shaping it a bit better. Oh!
I'm just really enjoying watching you struggle with this.
I'm worried I'm going to snap it. Right. Oh God.
Yes.
Oh, fab.
Love it.
For 7 years, you've watched me create crochet tutorials to share with the world. Now, after hours and hours of creating crochet tutorials in my spare room at home, I've decided to jump into the deep end and get our very own dream office. This is the story of myself, Sarah-Jayne, and the Bella Coco team taking a big leap. This is Bella Coco, the next chapter.
So desk plans then, obviously it looks a bit messy now, but I've actually got some monitors for us each, and then on the walls and things we can have all of that inspiration just to make it just a really nice space to work from.
Is that what these are for?
Yes.
Fab.
Nice. Because we're having a Neo sign up there, aren't we?
A neon.
What did I say?
Neo. He's a singer.
Neon.
We can have a Neo sign.
Thank you.
This is my new filming space, which is so amazing compared to where I first started, because it was just a tiny room in my old house. Then I moved to the new house and that never really got sorted because, you know, babies and all of that. So this room is going to be absolutely amazing. There's so much space. I literally used to have a tripod which I would wrap myself around. So I'm very much looking forward to having a space where I don't have to do that, and I might save my back a little bit. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this room progresses. I'm sure there'll be a bit of tweaking here and there, but it's so exciting. When we're coming up with ideas, it can either start with an idea for a project or start with yarn first. So, for example, we know that we want to create some kind of wall hanging for a collection. So we went to a local store and picked up some yarn, and then we also got some yarn online. So we selected the colours. We have everything on here. This is our little board where we can just collate everything all together. We can do some swatches, we've got our colours, and then we've got some ideas for what kind of designs that we would like, and also what kind of, who we're targeting as well, so who we're targeting with this collection. And this is something that's really exciting, being in the studio, because we've never had this kind of thing before.
Sarah focuses so much of her time on other people. You know, Sarah just goes 100 miles an hour, and Jackie and I just wanted to show how proud we was of her, because we kind of just, like I say, we all get wrapped up in working at the speed of light. We never stop and go, wow, look where Bella Coco's got to. Got some bubbly at last. So there we have it. We're all ready for it to come back now.
Thank you.
Congratulations!
Oh my god! Has Luna done that? Has she? Oh my god!
Just a little something to show how proud we are of you.
Thank you.
We are proud of you.
Oh, I'm proud of you.
Should we have a big,
Yeah.
big BC for?
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you.
There's more surprises in that box.
Who's done that?
No idea.
Oh my gosh. The thank you. Oh my goodness. That is so amazing.
For your filming room.
Oh, amazing. Shh, I'm counting.
There is another one in there which didn't quite come as it should, or as I thought it was going to. It's here. Yeah, well.
What is it?
Nothing rude, don't worry.
Okay.
We forgot to check the measurement.
It's for your desk.
Teeny tiny.
Speaking of surprises, I've got another one for you too.
Oh my gosh.
That one's for Nicola.
Oh.
And that one's for you.
Oh my god. Oh look.
Oh, this is amazing. This is like a little DIY work kit. I'm coming in. Thank you so much.
Well, we've all got one, so we can put it in the toilet now, and we've all got our own stuff.
Thank you so much.
It's so lovely.
Thank you so much. I do have a little something for you.
Oh.
Ta-da!
Oh my word!
This one's mine. That one's yours.
Oh my goodness!
And that one is yours. Look!
Oh wow!
Bella
I
Coco
love
Studios.
Amazing.
Oh, should we put them on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's go and put them on. Should we just pop it down here?
Yeah.
Right then. Oh, are they the monitors?
Yes.
What's that?
I think that's just a load of the other things.
Amazing.
And then, exciting. So, see if I've got a pair of scissors.
Yeah.
This is the sign.
Where for? The
For
where's
the
that
outside.
going outside this building?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Oh wow!
I feel like this is a momentous occasion.
Yeah.
Why does it feel so light?
What's it made of? Plastic,
Plastic.
or something?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Oh.
Oh, I love that.
It's cardboard.
Oh, what if it gets wet? That's why it was so light. Maybe it could be an indoor sign.
Yeah. Should
Yeah.
I just put it in the window?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Okay, it can go in the window.
There we go. At least the postman knows where we are now.
Ta-da! Oh, I must have ordered that at like 12 o'clock at night or something. In
Yeah.
sleep deprivation. There was no expectation when I first started my channel. It was just really a creative outlet. I would have never have thought that it would have led to this. I always knew I wanted my own business, but I never imagined it to be this.
No.
So now it's just, I get to play with yarn all day. And that's pretty
all
cool.
do.
Yeah, we do. It's so cool.
I knew that she would achieve what she wanted to achieve because she's always been the same. She sets a goal and she reaches that goal, and then she'll set another goal and she'll reach that goal, and she'll just keep going. So yes, extremely proud.
Aw. Thank you, Mum. I think it's really easy for people to look from the outside and think, wow, you know, you are where you are now. But I just started off at home on my sofa while Anthony was watching football.
Yeah.
And it can build into whatever you want it to be. And for those people who do want to make a career out of crocheting, I want to show them that they can do it as well, because it's definitely achievable.
100%.
I think Nottingham as a whole is, you know, you think of the lace and everything like that, and particularly this mill is, what was 1888? It was built, and it was a lace mill. So it's kind of cool that all them years ago was crafty in a way, and now we're here, just the other side of the canal.
Bringing textiles back.
Yeah,
to
absolutely.
Nottingham.
Yeah,
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Oh, here they are. Here are the girls.
Oh, are they here?
Hello, sausage. Hello.
Normally, like Ella would just be a little whirlwind when she comes in. She's so full of character and life.
Oh, she's gone shy.
Has she?
Yeah.
You look excited to see Mummy's studios. That's Annie. Have you had a nice day? It's a nice smile.
Oh, and Everly just melts your heart. She's the happiest little baby.
You're my little sweetheart.
Ooh.
Oh, God, you
Have a look. Wave.
Oh, hi, Ella. Look at her looking. Hey, Ella, can you find a pigeon in a hat and scarf?
It's not real. It's not real. It's his name. His name's Percy. It's like Mummy's new office. Yeah? Oh. Oh. You need to show you the rest. Let me show you. Oh my goodness, I have just had the most exciting email. My book, which I've been working on for 2 years, has just been sent to the designer for all the final pieces being put together. So that should be ready in the next month. And then it's due to be released in October, and I cannot wait for you to see it because it took a lot of work.
Wow, the sky! It looks amazing.
It is covering the moon. You can still see the moon.
When are we ready for shaking?
Here we go. Go for it.
Are we ready?
Okay. It's just so great to have the family here to celebrate, and here is to the next chapter of Bella Coco.
Cheers! Cheers!